Hey, if you've ever wanted to start your own online business, make money with copywriting, or even build a digital agency, but felt overwhelmed or didn't know where to begin, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start a copywriting agency using AI, specifically with a tool called PeteBot AI, and how you can potentially turn this into a real income stream, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the opportunity. Right now, thousands of local businesses, like dentists, gyms, real estate agents, restaurants, are struggling to get customers online. They know they need better marketing, but they don't have the time, skills, or team to do it. And that's where you come in. As a copywriting agency owner, your job is simple. Help these businesses get more customers using better messaging, especially through email marketing. The best part? You don't need to be an expert writer anymore. That's where AI changes everything. So what exactly is PeteBot AI? PeteBot AI is designed to help you do three main things: find potential clients, create high-converting email campaigns, scale your outreach and services faster. Instead of spending hours researching leads or writing emails from scratch, PeteBot helps automate a big part of the process. Now, let's break down how you can actually start your copywriting agency step by step. Step 1. Choose your niche and location. This is very important. Don't try to target everyone. Pick a specific niche, like dentists in New York, gyms in London, or real estate agents in your local area. Why? Because specific offers convert better. With PeteBot, you can enter your niche and location, and it will help you find businesses that might need your services. Step 2. Generate a campaign. Once you find a potential client, you simply take their website URL and plug it into PeteBot. Within seconds, it creates a full 7-part email campaign tailored to that business. This is huge. Normally, writing something like this could take hours or even days. But with AI, you can generate a solid draft instantly. Now, quick tip: don't just copy and paste blindly. Always review and tweak the content to make it more personalized and human. Step 3. Outreach and sending campaigns. Now that you have your campaign ready, it's time to reach out. You can contact the business owner, show them what you've created, and position yourself as someone who can help them get more customers. If they say yes, you can either send the campaign through their email system or manage it for them as a service. This is where you start getting paid. Step 4. Get paid and scale. Many businesses are willing to pay $500 to $1,000 or more for email campaigns that can generate real revenue. Once you get your first client, you repeat the same process. Find more leads, generate campaigns, close deals. Over time, this can grow into a full agency. Now, let's be real for a second. Tools like PeteBot AI can speed things up, but they're not magic. You still need basic communication skills, the ability to sell your service, and a willingness to learn and improve. But the barrier to entry is much lower than it used to be. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start something online, this might be it. You don't need a big team. You don't need years of experience. You just need a simple system, consistency, and the right tools. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you'd try starting a copywriting agency with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.